When I made $1,000 in 30 days as a TikTok shop affiliate, I did it using AI generated video. Go and watch my breakdown of how I did this. It'll be linked in the description or somewhere on the screen right now. I'm saying that because I've come across this other profile on Kalo Data, which is also an AI generated video creator profile. So let's look at the details. Now, the reason and what stood out to me regarding this profile is in the last 30 days, they have generated 153,015K in revenue promoting various products, which is obviously absolutely correct. We can see here, and this is how I came across this video. If you were wondering whether you can still make money, it's TikTok shop via AI generated content. And just to kind of scale things back a little bit, the way that I found this creator, I went into the video and ad tab at the top, filtered by the last 30 days. So I said, hey, Kalo Data, I'm looking for data on the last 30 days. I'm looking for video ads where there was virtually no ad spend. I'm looking for video ads where there was no return on ad spend, because obviously there isn't any ad spend. So Kalo Data went away and it came up with all these different video ads. And the purpose behind this is for inspiration, right? So if you are a new TikTok shop seller, if you are a new TikTok shop affiliate, you want to find out what's working right now. You want to see what videos are currently being pushed by the algorithm organically without you having to spend any money on ads, because a lot of us that are starting out will not have that initial budget. So this is a gold mine for that. And the beauty of this is you are seeing videos that work from content creators that are making money right now doing this at this profile. So looking through these different video ads here, by the way, it's a great way to look for products to start promoting, drop shipping, whether it's on TikTok shop, whether it's on Shopify, Amazon, wherever it is you do your selling, because a lot of the TikTok shop algorithm is driven by how the product is performing that is being sold. The more people are buying the product, it doesn't matter how bad the video is, TikTok is going to push it because they make money, the seller makes money, the content creator makes money as well. So this is the video right here that got my attention. It's only a 12-second long video. So I clicked on it and I was taken onto this page. I'm not going to play the video because it has got some copyrighted music on it, but essentially I'm just going to quickly, very quick snippet so you can get an idea. You can obviously see it's an AI generated video by the likes of Sora, VO2, or whatever other AI generator this content creator is using here. Let me just see if we can get you a little bit more here. See what I mean? You can tell if you are around this type of content for any amount of time, you know what's AI generated. And again, it just blew me away because the video is 12 seconds long and they obviously performed quite well also. And you can see they are doing well with some other videos for this particular product as well. But again, if I go onto their TikTok profile, which is this one here, you can see that they are currently, I don't want to say milking, maybe milking is the right term, but they have picked up that this is a style of videos that work. And this is a product that's working for them to do this. And I'm sharing this because I believe that this is a very small window where TikTok is not yet picking up on this. There will come a time in the near future when TikTok is a bit more aware of what's currently AI generated. Now, there's nothing wrong with AI generated, obviously, as long as it's high quality, as long as it's not misrepresentation, as long as it abides by the community guidelines. But when you are using AI generated content, you're more likely to be classed as low quality content because a lot of other people can do similar styles of content or even steal your content. Whereas if it's me promoting a product, a human being, it's just a lot harder for other people to replicate. And again, I'm speaking from a place of experience here because when I generated my amount of the TikTok affiliate commission that I mentioned earlier, £1,000 in 30 days, $1,000 in 30 days, I was taking a similar approach, but this was different. This was using TikTok's very own video generator, which they have removed now because a lot of people were using that and the videos were really, really bad. They were low quality, but there was a window of time where TikTok was allowing that to happen until they picked up on it and then the opportunity went away. So if you are wanting to get started and make money as a TikTok shop affiliate or seller and you want to test products quickly without necessarily having the product in hand, you should really, really start thinking about AI generated content because this case study, again, 153 3,000 in 30 days. Here, not entirely sure about the amount of commission this product offers. Let me just click on it here, and that'll take us to the product page. It's not telling us what the commission is, but I imagine it'll be somewhere around the 10%, potentially 20% that they make. Not a huge amount, but when you get a video that just completely blows up to 3.5 million views, then you're going to get a pretty decent amount of conversion. And if we have a look at our content creators performance here, I mean, they sold quite a decent amount of units here. They got 1.4 million followers. I mean, overall, they've just done really well. 4.8 million views currently, pretty decent. And another thing that caught my attention about this as well is, apart from the video only being 12 seconds, it's a small content creator. They've only got 6.4k views, and they debuted on the 9th of October. So they started creating these videos on the 9th of October. So not been around for too long, not a huge account, but it just blew me away, because honestly, I wasn't entirely sure if I knew there was still an opportunity for AI generated content on TikTok Shop, but I didn't realize it is there to this extent. So my advice would be, if you are starting out generating content and using AI, and this is just my personal opinion, you can do your own research and find different approaches, but I would strongly advise to use AI generated visuals if you are opting to go with the style like these videos here, because they're really realistic. Let me just click on it. I don't want the audio. Right. Okay. Let me just click on that. There we go. So the video visuals are really, really good. They're really high quality. Like, you can't tell from a distance that those are not these dolls that are being sold here. But I would stay away from creating AI generated audio, because in my opinion, and I've been around a lot of AI generated content, if you look through my past videos, half my channel is basically about ecom and AI generated content, especially for TikTok Shop. I would stay away from audio, because audio, I feel like, is a lot easier to pick up. If audio is generated, I don't care how high of quality the tool is. It could be 11 Labs, it could be something else, but I just feel like it's a lot easier for the TikTok Shop algorithm to pick up if it's AI generated audio. But if it's visuals, it's gotta be very, very hard for them to kind of come back and dispute and say it's low quality, it's spam, especially when the visuals are this good. And this creator has done it cleverly here, where they've used mainly the visuals, no talking, just a popular song playing in the background, and obviously gotten some people to purchase the product from there. And again, we don't know how long this opportunity is going to last for, because are we going to get to a point where pretty much every other TikTok Shop content creator or affiliate is using VO2 or Sora? Is it going to be a case of where the market is just saturated with these types of videos? Yes, maybe no, I don't know, but it's just one of those opportunities where you might want to really think about taking advantage of this opportunity while it's still there, because it works. For how long is it going to work? That's the question. So I really wanted to share this with you guys. Really excited. And if you are finding value in the video, obviously drop us a big like and consider subscribing. But yeah, what are your thoughts on AI generated content and TikTok Shop? Let me know.